have to practice. So what you do with this is you take the button hook and you're going to slide it through the hole, okay? Sometimes your hole may be a little small. You may have to work the hole a little bit, or have someone help you pinch down the size of the wire on this end. So you're going to take it through the button hole. You come under and you grab a hold of the button, okay? You're going to pull the button to the button hole, all right, and pull it forward, and you're going to bring the hook down and around like that, and it'll pop your button through, okay? So that's how you use this button hook from the right-hand side. Now, I'm going to challenge myself here because I am right-handed, and we're going to try to do this with my left hand. If I was wearing a woman's blouse, I could only use the left hand. I would actually need to come across here, okay? And I would be retrieving the button here. It's going to be, there you go, and I'm going to pull it forward, pull the button to the hole, and I'm going to pull it down, and hopefully through, there we go, pull the button through, okay?